Remeel Handheld Milk Frother with stainless steel whisk, portable, and powerful foam maker for morning coffee, latte, cappuccino, hot chocolate, black. Battery operated, the foam maker is powered by two AA batteries not include, perfect for you to make your coffee with rich foam on the busy morning time or carry with to travel. Smart design, it can stand by itself to save space, so you do not need an extra stand for it. The frothing wand can get to work instantly and continuously when you turn it on. Do not need to keep your finger on the button to power it on. Easy to clean, this mixer is made of food-safe grade stainless steel shaft and whip that can be easily cleaned under fresh running water. Convenient use, turn on the switch with a powerful motor, put it into a cup with hot or cold milk approx. 1/3 to froth, then plunge the frother halfway up and down, then you will get your desired foamed milk. 100% money back, our goal is to make you 100% satisfactory. Feel free to contact us for any questions, we are always on hand to help you. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.